Very warm welcome. Welcome to this introduction of our hybrid learning management system at Canadian University of Bangladesh. Now, when you come to this homepage, you really in a very high quality learning management system platform. There are certain benefits for the students. You can have all kinds of learning materials. You can have digital interactive contents. You can have learning review and learning reflections. And there are benefits for the faculty members. Why? Because you can personalize your content. You have the flexibility. And at this present context, you can see that some of the courses that we are creating, and this particular course, we all will be using for orientation to this platform, because when you join this course, you will be able to access it as a guest and you will be able to see different features. All the videos will be available here, and you can actually have entire hands-on by yourself after watching this video. Some of the courses are fantastic, so I will request all of you to utilize this platform to the most. And let me start with my login just to share the basic beginning of when you enter. I'll request all of you to update your profile, put your picture here, and you can see you can actually update your profile. And once you update your profile, you can upload your picture. You go to the dashboard, you will often see the courses that you have accessed most often will come here. This is a course actually I have designed to have the entire orientation program of this platform. And some of the courses will be listed here, and all of your courses that you will create will be available with the banner page. I'm going to guide you on how you create course, how do you manage the entire learning in this repository. You can have all the different activities set and you will be able to see it in the timeline. You can have your private files, and at any point in time you will be able to see some of the users who are online. You can introduce badges, you can have your calendars, you can have upcoming events. So I hope this particular platform will enable us to ensure quality teaching and learning entirely online and in the hybrid mode as well. So with this, I will actually take you into the next level of creating courses and how do you plan your courses. I'll show you one course and then I'll guide you through the video of how you are going to create your own course. With this, let me just log out and welcome back to the home.